In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in Yahoo Mail. Creating a group, also called a contact list, lets you email the same set of people in one go, which is perfect for families, clubs, or project teams. We'll walk through it from start to finish so you know exactly where everything is. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. In the results, choose the official Yahoo Mail site so you're on the legitimate page. Click through, and you'll land on the sign-in screen. Sign into your Yahoo account the way you normally do, and wait a moment for your inbox to load completely. In the new Yahoo Mail view, look for the Contacts icon. It resembles a small address card and typically appears in the right side panel or along the top navigation bar, depending on your screen size. If your browser window is narrow, some icons may compress or move, so maximizing the window can help you spot it. Click the Contacts icon to open the Contacts panel. Inside Contacts, you'll see your individual contacts and a section specifically for lists. Lists are the groups that let you message multiple people at once. Click the Lists tab at the top of the Contacts panel to switch to the Lists view. Now, create your group. Click the option labeled Create List. It might appear as a button or as a plus, Create List link. This opens a setup panel where you'll name the list and add members. Type a clear, memorable name in the list name field. Keep it concise and descriptive. Names like family, study group, or project team are easy to recognize. If you manage several similar groups, consider adding a short identifier, like a semester or department, so you can quickly tell them apart later. Next, add people to your list. In the Add Contacts field, start typing a name or an email address. Yahoo will suggest matches from your existing address book. Click a suggestion to add that person. Continue typing to add as many people as you need. If someone isn't already in your contacts, you can enter their full email address directly. Take a moment to double-check spellings and make sure you've included everyone you intend. If you add someone by mistake, remove them before saving. When everything looks right, click Save at the bottom of the panel to finalize your group. Saving simply creates the list. It doesn't send any emails or notify members. Your new group now appears under the Lists tab, ready whenever you need it. If your roster changes later, you can return to this same area to rename the list or update its members.